This story comes from the life of the great Saint Tukaram of Maharashtra. He loved chanting God's name. One day, a group of people from his village decided to go on a long pilgrimage. They invited Tukaram to come with them. But Tukaram said he could not join. Instead, he gave them a bitter gourd. He asked them to take it along on their long journey. Please dip it in every holy river where you bathe, he said to them. Also take it to every temple you visit. The villagers agreed, though they did not really understand why he wanted this. They did not think that they should ask him. So, honoring his advice, rather request, they carried the bitter gourd with them. They followed his instructions during the entire pilgrimage. After many months, they returned home. They brought the bitter gourd back to Tukaram. He smiled and thanked them. To celebrate their return, he invited them all for a feast the next day. At the feast, he served many dishes. One dish was made from the bitter gourd they had taken on the journey. Everyone began eating. But when they tasted the bitter gourd dish, they made faces. It's still bitter, they said. Why did you serve us this? Tukaram looked surprised. How can it be still bitter? This god went to so many holy places. It bathed in sacred rivers. It visited many temples. Yet it remains the same? The people understood. They had followed the outer journey, but they had not changed inside. Tukaram smiled. Many people go on pilgrimages, he said, but they return with the same bitterness in their hearts. Their hearts are not cleansed of all the Shadaribus, the six enemies we often talk about: desire, anger, frustration, envy, greed, fear. Real pilgrimage is different, he continued. You must carry God inside you every step of the way. You must see His beauty and goodness all around. Only then will your heart become pure. The villagers listened quietly. Tukaram's lesson stayed with them forever.